Good morning traders, Richard here doing a quick Ichimoku cloud chart market review of the Nasdaq Composite Index. We'll start with the big picture, just demonstrating how expensive the current market is as well as how extended it is from the top end of the cloud. We can see the price actions from very far away from the cloud, so we can expect a significant correction over the next couple of months. The downside support target's 11419, front end of the cloud. So we do expect some form of a correction. The market's quite extended on the monthly chart. Turning to the weekly, we've market formed a base, Nasdaq moved a base, hit there for the third time, then pulling back. Key levels to watch out for on the weekly chart is the the first level of support is this turning line, and then the next level of support in a correction is the front end of the cloud as well as the standard line. So these are the two levels to watch out for potential downside risk targets as well as potential rebound zones. So any kind of correction in the Nasdaq composite, these are the levels to watch out for on the weekly. So those are the downside risk targets if the market fails to move higher. But it looks like we've encountered a fair bit of resistance here. The third strike there, trying to get past that key level. We've got quite a lot of divergence between the price and the MACD, for example. So there was a sell signal in the MACD back here. So that's just as a side note. Now, looking at the daily key levels to watch out for, we can see we've now pulled these levels through from the weekly chart. They coincide very well with the downside support levels on the daily here. Market's moving sideways, so it either needs to break out of this trading range, which will be a nice buy point there, or the correction is going to continue to retest these support levels. So the front end of the cloud here is the key level to watch out for on the daily. We'll put there a line in there. This top and that top gives you an idea where there's downside support, 13809. And then the next, if support fails, then the next level is the bottom end of the cloud here at 135. So these are the downside risk targets if support fails at the top end of the cloud here, 13809. But critical for the market either to break out of this trading range, or we can expect some pressure coming in over the next couple of months because of the seasonal weak period for downside risk to these bottom end cloud chart support targets. Looking at the 4 hour, key level to watch out from the 4 hour is this front end cloud level there. That could come in as a support zone, 13960 in the Nasdaq composite, as well as the bottom end here, standard line here. That's also a support level, potential rebound zone to watch out for. So these are the levels on the 4 hour to watch out for any kind of weakness to come through with potential rebounding zone in and around these levels. Until next time, happy cloud chart trading.